Hello, my name is Heather Paulson and I work with the Windows Servicing and Delivery team. Welcome to the Windows 11 release notes for March 2023. Today we'll show you how to update your store applications in Windows 11. First, let's talk about this month's update. We're excited to introduce a variety of new and exciting features this month. Let's start with the new search experience on the taskbar. Now, when you type in the search box on the taskbar, search results will appear in a flyout just above. To change your search experience, go to Settings, Personalization, Taskbar, and select Hide, Search Icon Only, or Search Icon and Label. Accessing Windows Studio Effects just got easier. If your device has a supported Neural Processing Unit, or NPU, you can turn on and configure camera effects directly using quick settings on the taskbar. Having PC issues? You can now find Quick Assist in the Start menu All Apps list. For 2-in-1 devices that you can use as a tablet, we've introduced a touch-optimized taskbar. Whether the taskbar is collapsed or expanded, you will have ample screen space, and using touch will be easier. We've also added more support for braille devices. They will continue working while you switch between Microsoft Narrator and third-party screen readers. And we've added support for new braille displays and new braille input and output languages in Narrator. Windows now provides energy recommendations. If you use them, they can help improve the energy efficiency of your PC and reduce your carbon footprint. For devices that are joined to Azure Active Directory, Windows now provides AI-powered recommended content on your Start menu. For the system tray, all icons now have a rounded focus and hover treatment in the lower right, including the Show Hidden Icons flyout menu. We've also made several improvements for voice access, including greater flexibility to support interactions with UI controls, support for spin and thumb controls and split buttons, and the ability to use voice to scroll to the extreme left or right on a page, or to use continuous scrolling. This update also addresses issues that affect voice commands that snap a window left or right, and commands that move the cursor in a text box now run instantly. For Task Manager, you can now filter processes, choose unique dialog themes, and opt out of confirmation dialogues using Efficiency Mode. In addition to these new features and experiences, we've also made the following improvements. This update addresses an issue that changes the color filter setting to grayscale when you select inverted. For IE mode users, we have addressed an issue that sometimes makes the text on the status bar invisible. If you've been seeing a blue screen during video playback after you set high dynamic range on your display, we have addressed that issue. This update addresses an issue that might have stopped you from using the touch or the pin entry keyboard to sign into your device. We've addressed an issue that affects which folders appear in the Browse for Folder picker. The File Explorer issue that fails to move the input focus when you use Shift plus Tab or Shift plus F6 has also been addressed. In addition, the volume up and down commands from a Bluetooth keyboard now display in the user interface. And finally, we've addressed an Xbox subscription issue that occurs when you buy a subscription using the Redeem Code option and recurring billing is off. You'll now see the Xbox subscription card on the Settings Accounts page. You can find out more about the other changes in this update by reading the Highlights and Improvements sections of the February 2023 preview and the March 2023 security articles. Now, on to our Windows tip. Have you ever wondered how to update your apps in Windows 11 once you have installed them? We have you covered. Go to Start, Microsoft Store, and select the Library icon. Here you will see tabs for Apps, Games, Movies and TV, and Included with Device. Select Get Updates to begin download and installation. If you want to manage your applications, go to Start, Settings, Apps. Here you can view the apps installed on your device, set default apps for certain types of files and links, explore optional features, and more. Are there Windows 11 features you want to know more about? Send us feedback in the section provided in our release notes articles, or leave a comment on our Windows Community YouTube channel at aka.ms/Windows Community on YouTube. That's it for this month. Thanks for watching.